Introduction to Afterpay Developer API. The Afterpay Developer API is a set of tools and protocols that allows developers to integrate Afterpay payment services into their applications and websites. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that enables customers to pay for purchases in installments. The API provides a secure and seamless way for merchants to offer Afterpay as a payment option to their customers. Getting started with Afterpay Developer API. To get started with the Afterpay Developer API, developers need to create an account on the Afterpay website and obtain an API key. The API key is used to authenticate and authorize API requests. Developers can then use the API to create payment tokens, retrieve payment information, and manage payments. Key concepts and endpoints. The Afterpay Developer API has several key concepts and endpoints that developers need to understand. These include payment tokens, payment plans, and payments. Payment tokens are used to represent a customer's payment information, while payment plans define the terms of the payment, such as the amount and installment schedule. The payments endpoint is used to create and manage payments. Practical examples. A practical example of using the Afterpay Developer API is to create a payment token for a customer. This can be done by sending a POST request to the payment tokens endpoint with the customer's payment information. Once the payment token is created, it can be used to create a payment plan and initiate a payment. Best practices. When using the Afterpay Developer API, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure secure and reliable integration. These include handling errors and exceptions, validating user input, and using secure authentication and authorization protocols. Developers should also test their integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Conclusion. The Afterpay Developer API provides a powerful and flexible way for merchants to offer Afterpay as a payment option to their customers. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, developers can successfully integrate the Afterpay Developer API into their applications and websites, providing a seamless and secure payment experience for their customers.